My EFCC operatives don't enter student hostel for Rufus Giwa Polytechnic. This one dey for Owo, Ondo State. My people, no be small ready, no. They break window, they remove burglary, they spoil EFCC. According to Master wey reach me, they say they find abi they pursue internet fraudsters wey dey the hostel. I bring am come una side so that I go see wetin EFCC dey do. Just imagine this one. Anyhow, when una watch am, una go see reasons with me why they feel say no difference between EFCC and armed robbers. Abeg, put the video make them watch.
Jesus, see EFCC o. See EFCC for
Life and direct.
Life and direct. Omo. My way forward. My way jale for it.
Una see am? No, wetin be the difference now with the way these people operate and the way armed robbers dey operate? EFCC wey suppose dey work with law. Ataya, I leave am. See energy. No, imagine the force wey they use break, scatter all these things. I wish una fit use this same energy to chase corrupt politicians. I wish. Una see wetin I dey tell una. It's very easy for them to come out when it comes to normal people. The energy. I don't know whether na for me. They go come out, show, display themselves. Just see. Very unprofessional act. It is a crime. I don't know how una dey say about me. It is a crime for you to go and destroy people's properties, especially without warrant. How? So all the things now wey spoil, all the damages now, who go pay am? Who go pay am? Meaning say now, Chineke, abeg. My people, is this thing right? Is this thing? No, this thing wanna watch now. Now, right? You know, see, if some people they behave some way, like maybe take law into their hands, no be say we dey support them, but we understand say they don't get the knowledge. But EFCC, I expected more. I expected more. Forget them. They need to sue them. No, because I know they support whether they be fraudsters or no. In fact, nobody even knows whether not true. But I know they support any fraudster or anything. No, my own be saying now. Okay, even if we assume say they be real fraudsters, is that the right way to go about it? Oh yeah, you go to the place, you were not able to catch them. You decided to break in. Like, I don't understand. See, you now see why people. Even when sometimes they see the truth for their front, but they need more evidence. Sometimes they don't say yes, this thing is evidence, but they go say no, we need more tangible. You understand? Our own they different. They treat people, even if you commit crime, they treat you like say now you be devil. Now them sin. In fact, they are the most perfect people for this world. EFCC now the new SARS where we get. Because they operate like bandits. No, what is the meaning of this one? Nobody say, what be the difference? I still they ask. I no go dey surprised with the way they see them. I no go dey surprised if these EFCC people, one of their children they do the same Yahoo way they pursue. It's possible. They no go correct their own finish. They go come outside, start to point fingers to other people. How are we sure that they don't? Their children, some of them children, how we sure say they no even dey inside this thing? the day wey una go come out, una see the way una dey pursue fraudsters, una dey pursue innocent citizens, una the day wey una go come out do the same thing with politicians, maybe na that day this world go end. Maybe na that day this world go end. I no know. Now just feel imagine the squandrant and the, in fact, I cannot release all my grammar where I get, you understand? My people, is a pity. It's a serious pity. Sometimes I dey wonder where these people they get their training. I dey wonder who they teach them. I dey wonder which book they read. You understand? I don't know, but it is where I say make I bring and come aside. In case anybody get power, abi you get any means to sue these people, is very important, because all the things now wey damage for that place, now money they go still use fix am. I don't bring and come. So anything wey you guys talk, abeg, I dey listen to una be my people. So start the dropper for that side, and make sure say you share this video one more time. Share this video, make everybody know how EFCC now they behave like bandits. So me now I no come understand again. I don't confuse. And make sure say you click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything we will get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.